Hello you Aviation English fans! Thanks for being with the Fluent Pilot project. This is another video of our picture description series. Please check out our website for detailed description tips and more information. You will also be able to find full transcripts of these videos at fluentpilot.ru. All links are down below. As we promised you last time, today we will be discussing this picture. Hopefully, you've already made some effort to work it through on your own. So, here comes our version of it. We have a pilot here sitting in the crew rest compartment, a special area where flight and cabin crew can have some rest during their break periods on long-haul flights. The man is leaning back in his seat and reading a magazine. He's also using a footrest that allows him to comfortably stretch his legs. The gentleman is wearing a uniform, a white shirt and black trousers. He's also wearing a black tie. It looks like he is middle-aged, say in his early 40s. He's black-haired and has black mustache. The shoulder signs and sleeve signs on his jacket have 4 stripes, so we can assume that this man is a captain. Behind the pilot there are flat areas called berths, which may be used by the crew for sleeping. On the left, there is a remote control for the onboard entertainment system and an individual service unit with a flashlight and a deflector of the air conditioning system. We can also spot a fire extinguisher on the wall behind the pilot. Usually, all wide-body airliners operating long-distance flights are equipped with such crew rest compartments. They may be located above or sometimes below the main deck. These areas are designed to be sound and light-proof and provide comfortable rest for the part of the crew which is currently off duty. It is definitely a great engineering solution that allows air companies to use several crews and shifts. This helps prevent fatigue on long-haul flights and contributes to flight safety a great deal. Okay, here's the minimum of information that we can extract from this photo. And of course, it's not the only way to describe this picture. Your story might well be different, but at least that's what comes to my mind when I see it. For the next episode, be ready to discuss this picture. Make sure though that you first try to describe it yourself. That's a great activity to improve your speaking skills. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more. Follow us on this channel, at social media and on the project's website. Alrighty, I hope you've enjoyed the video and that you find this stuff useful. See you next time. Cheers.